first game. Technical free throw muna daw. Rebound by number 16, pass to number 0, Phoenix to number 8. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 4. To number 25. Pinalik ulit, pinasa gitna sa number 33. Pull up, no good. Nakuha ulit yung number 33, no good pa rin. Stepping on the line. "14 seconds to shoot." Number 22 for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by number 33. To number 8, balik sa number 25. To number 4 for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by number 22. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. Knockout play by number 25. 2 points. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Setting the play. 3 seconds violation. White ball. Number 25, pinapabang bola, pass to number 4. To number 8, pinalik sa number 4. Tumira ng 3. 3 points by number 4, Perez. Number 8, lumababa ng ball. Pass to number 23, pinalik sa number 8. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0 for 3, no good. Rebound knee. Number 8, pass to number 4. To number 25, layup. Basket count by number 25. Number 0, first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw by number 25. First basket. Number 8. Pinera ng 3 points by number 8. Foul number 8. First personal foul. Third team foul. 25. Number 4. Eight seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Number 8. Double pump ball. Pass to number 4. 14 seconds to shoot. To now, intercept by number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Points by number 25. Nabitawan, white ball. Number 8. Pass to number 4. To number 25, 12 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 4 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 33, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22 for 3 points. Change 5. 10 ang kalamangan ng mga naputi. Number 30 ball. Dribbling the ball. Sumalaksak. No good. Nakuha ni number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 13. Nagmamadali. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 25. 2 points. Number 40. Holding the play. Pass to number 8. Pinalis na number 14. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Good. Offensive foul by number 4. Number 4, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 8, pass to number 14. Number 15, binalis sa number 14 for 3 points by number 14. Pass break to number 95, pinabutan. Turnover. Number 40, leaving the ball. Pass to number nakuha number 14, nice pa sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 15. Steal by number 4. Number 1 bola. Pass to number 24. Meron ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Pass break to number 15. Layup. No good pa rin. Foul number 29. First personal foul, first third team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 24 to number 13. So walaksak, layup, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 29, second personal foul, penalty. First try, no good. Second throw by number 13. Basket. Timeout. And by. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 46 seconds. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan ng mga nakaputi. Number 40, giving the ball. Tumira ng 3, block by number 25, offensive rebound by number 29, basket count. Foul number 95. First personal foul, second team foul. Bonus photo by number 29. Basket. Number 25. Pass to number 95. Sinalakhat. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by jersey number 95. Second personal foul, third team foul. Number 40 to number 20, pass to number 8, tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 95, pass to number 4 to number 25. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinalis sa number 25 for 3, points by jersey number 25. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. Number 14, leading the ball. Pass to number 20. Pinalik sa number 14. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Number 13. Malaksak. Foul number 20. Pushing foul. First personal foul penalty. Second try basket. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 20, pass to number 8. To number 20. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 14 for 3. Rebound. Rebound by number 4, pass to number 24. To number 25, no good. Offensive rebound by number 24. Blocked by number 8. Number 4 for 3. 3 points by number 4. Number 40. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 29. 5 seconds. And the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Two goals by number 21. Number 8, ginugulo. 5 seconds violation. Number 2, leading the ball. To number 22, pass to number 55. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 2. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 8. Nabitawan. Kuha niya ulit. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 13. Leaving the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22 for 2 points. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 21. Pass to number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound by number 2 to number 26. Foul. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throw. And number 26. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket ulit. 2 of 2 by number 26. Green ball. Time out. Right. Jersey number 8 ng White. Warning for technical. For assignment ang kakol. Seconds to shoot. Number 41, third ball. Offensive rebound by number 2. 2 points. 22 pala. Number 22, pass to number 24. To number 33, libre. Malakas lang. Rebound by number 22. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pinas sa kalaban. Still by number 22. Pass to number 26. Pull up. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 55. Foul number 15. 13. Number 13, first personal foul. Second team foul. Offensive rebound ulit number 22. Nice pass to number 21. To number 26. 2 points. Babasag ito ang kalamangan ng mga naputi. Number 22. Pass to number 24. Galit sa number 22. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul number 21, first personal foul, first team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul by number 13. Number 13, second personal foul, third team foul. Number 55. Pass to number 2. Nasa lalim. Mataas. Turnover. Number 30. Ginababa ang bola. Pass to number 24. Muntigan na. Pass to number 8. Pull up. No good. Open sa rebound with number 33. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound ulit with number 33. 2 points. Number 2. Bababa ng bola. Pass to number 55 for 3. Nagug. Rebound by number 13. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan to number 8. Ginugulo. Foul. Foul number 22. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Change 5. Change 5. Wait lang Rob, wait lang daw po. Yung number 29. Yung number 29 daw po. Okay, back to the ball game. Wait lang, rep. Yung number 14 din po, palit. Kasi gulang sila sa rep. Number 8 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 8. Number 8, dribbling the ball, 9 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 4. 3 points by number 33. Number 29, third personal foul, third team foul. First try, basket. Rebound by number 29, pass to number 8. Binababang bola ang mamadali. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 29, no good. Rebound by number 2, pass to number 3. Turnover. Number 22. Sa number 4. Nabitawan. Natapik. Good ball. Turnover. Number 14. Pass to number 8. To number foul number 8. Number 8, second personal foul, penalty. First throw, basket. Baba sa 6 ang lamang ng mga nakabuti. Number 33, second personal foul, fourth team foul. Number 4, binababa ang bola. Intercept by number 18, same ball. Naka-outplay by number 95 pero wala. Kaya by number 33, pass break to number 8, malakas, nakuha niya. Same ball. Time out. Time out. And by. Points by number 14. Same ball, right ball. Number 8, nakalusot, layup, malakas. Save ball pa rin. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 22, leaving the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 29, pull up. 2 points by number 25. Balik sa animang kalamangan ng muna puti. Number 14, leaving the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 29 to number 35. 3 points by number 33. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng mga nakaputi. Eight seconds violation. Number 14. Turnover, white ball. 32 seconds, time remaining in the second quarter. Inclusive by number 25. Number 22. Nababa bola, pass to number 95. Nabitawan, nakuha niya ulit. No good. Still by number 4. 14 seconds. Kapitawan, nakuha niya ulit. 10 seconds. Nice pass. Foul number 29. 4 personal foul. Penalty. Warning for graduate number 29. First throw, no good. Second throw, basket. 5 seconds. Number 8, third personal foul. Third. First throw, basket.
Fourth quarter, pwede na mag-sub. Number 4, di ba bawal pa? Kawa.
game, fourth quarter.
Kanila. White ball. Dito. Ano ba yan?
Hindi, sensor niya. Ito. Open sa kanila. Ito. Base natin ang pipe nila.
Number 14, ginugulo. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass, block by number 4. To number 2, number 2, nagmamadali, pinasa number 21. To number 4, binalik sa number 2. 3-meter shot. Basket by number 2. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng mga naka-gray. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 13 nakalusot. Dinerecho. 2 points by number 13. Number 2. Leading the ball. Pass to number 20. Pinaka sa number 2. Binalik sa number 3. Pull-up. No good. Open sa table by number 4. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Turnover. White ball. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 22 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 4. Nagmamadali. White ball. Turnover. Number 22. Pinababang bola. Still by number 21. Dinerecho. Layup. 2 points by number 21. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng mga nakaputi. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Tumira ng 3. Foul. Foul number 4. Pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Second throw, no good pa rin. Last throw, no good pa rin. And my ball. Number 2. Leaving the ball. Changing the play. Pass to number 4. 14 seconds to shoot. Still by number 8. Ambilis. Layup. No good. Open sa play by number 24. Still by number 3. Number 3. Pass sa number 21. To number 20. Meron ng 3. No good. Layup by number 22. Pass to number 13. Pass break to number 34. Masyado malakas. Turnover. Number 2. Pass to number 3 to number 20. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 3. Sumalaksak. Layup. No good. Nilabas. Rebound by number 33. Pass break ulit sa number 24. Inantay yung kakampo. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 13. No good. Offensive rebound.
Rebound by.
Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 3 pass to number 2. Leaving the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 3. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 33. Pinasa sa kalakan. By number. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 13. Pinakababa ang bola. Nagmamadali. Sumalaksak, nakalusot. 2 points by number 13. Number 2. Nagmamadali. Layup, no good. Rebound, steal by number 3. Pass to number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 21.
Oy, 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 oy. Wala, nalobat sir. Nalobat. Laro na tayo.
Dyan sila.
Lobat pa naman.
Kasi ano?
Lobat. Nalobat.
Hello, but ano?
Tawagin na lang si
bali,
Coach.
Out natin yung number 3 dito.
Hindi, ano muna initial ko?
Out of bounds. Out of bounds lang. Oo. Tapos out natin yung dalawa for act of violence. For fighting. Act of violence for fighting stand.
Yung coach nila
Coach,
sir.
hindi, patawag may pares ko
Ayan.
para alam na nila, walang mic eh.
Nalobat.
Alam nila yan. Kanina bola,
Same ball tayo. Sa gray.
then out of bounds to.
Oo, sa gray tayo. Bola ng gray.
Ayan lang.
Fourth quarter na. Coach, change 5 na po, change 5. Change 5, white. Ayan na.
Yung 8.
Lobat sir, nalobat, sakto.
Eh, pinakausap ko na lang yung pares ko. Hindi, abulin mo na lang yan, yung gano'n. Out of the playing court, number 3.
Hello.
Ampay.
8 ng white out of the playing court and number 3 ng gray
Or act of fight.
out of the playing court din. and 1 game suspension daw po. 1 game suspension. Okay, back to the ball game. Twelve seconds to shoot. Three points by number 9 to number 33. White ball. First of the deadlock of the ball game. Foul number 33. Number 33, third personal foul, second team foul.
Team foul yan, may dalawa sila kaso po.
3-2.
Number 13, 8 seconds to shoot. 4.
Mainit ah.
Foul number 22, third personal foul, fourth team foul.
Ay, di. Finals to kasi. Pag nanalo yata ito. Pwede pa. 2-3 sila.
First row basket.
Baka may mga 2-3 rin. Usually, pag maglaro 2-3, ang
First row, no good.
Second na pala.
Number 14, pass to number
Ano number yun?
Number 8 for 3 points. Unang kalamangan ng Embay. 37-39 ang ating score.
Same.
Ano ba yung quarter
Same
finals
ball.
mo? Anong placing yun?
Bracket A versus bracket B. Tapos 1 versus 4.
Ah, tig-apat na tinuro.
Number 95, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 8 to number 95 for 3. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 14 to number 33. Tumira ng 3. No good.
Rebound by number 8. Guys muna, guys. Ito, pag natalo. Pasok pa rin sila. Pag natalo sila. Hindi na.
Hindi yun eh.
Parang alam ko, dapat may halutin ng maraming team.
Tambak yung kalaban.
Dapat tambakan nila pag hindi. Pag natalo sila, 3-2. So, wala nga. Kahit natalo sila.
No, ano to, no,
Natalo sila, oo.
Parang foul sila.
3-1 yung ito, no? 3-1.
Kalimutan ko.
Foul!
Maya pagdaan.
Pagdaan na.
Ah. Hindi umabot. Hanggang doon lang eh. Rep! Rep! Sino ang last foul doon?
Last Last foul.
22.
22. O warning for graduate. Dapat. Sabi mo kay
Coach,
ha?
22, warning for graduate. 22.
22. 22.
Hello, ba't yung mic? Oy, oy.
Hop, 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 hop. Wala papasok.
Oy, wala papasok, oy. Oy.
Ay, tulungan mo ako. 9, 12, 9.
Hindi, wala naman nung ano na kami. Cancel?
Wala pa tayo. Yung initial call muna yung kailangan.
Oh, hindi ko pa naman na-focus. Hindi ko pa naman na-focus.
penalty. Both team technical. Wala na po yun.
Kaya kasi sa akin lang naman, kung kaya nung paano para baka kasi nakita nila,
The Smart.
Kaya na mag-review siya. Nakalay.
Signal. May signal eh.
Major. Entering the court of play. Kasi nakalag din ako dito eh. Eh, wala siya. Ano nila yung judgment ko nila yung sinalay ka niya. Ewan ko lang sa ito kung pwede sabihin yung knowledge nyo. Patay yung ilagay mo. Kailangan natin para mapagpagpag.
Basket. Foul number 14. Number 26 out of the playing court and number 95 ng white out of the playing court din po. Number 26 and number 95. This season, bawal na po kayo maglaro. Nakaban na po kayo. And number 95, 1 game suspension lang po. Yung number 26, ban na, all season.
Yes, sir. Pwede po patignan dito. Kasi po parang
May ilang
okay, ano namin yan. Ilan kayo po?
Dalawa.
Dalawa kayo sa spare ko po. Kaya tayo sa ito. Pagpatignan mo na lang. Mamaya na, pagpatignan tayo ng
Pag-10 po po.
Ayan, kunin nyo na, oy. Ito pa sa akin, medyo. May pound eh. 140. Penalty! Sige, give me the
Injury.
Coach, okay, dalawa na. Penalty na.
Basket yun? Seconds! Paano pa lang?
sa ball game, fourth and final quarter.
Second white.
Number 4, moving the ball, intercept by number 14, same ball. Number 24, nataplay, nakuha number 33, 14 seconds to shoot, steal by number 21, nagmamadali, same ball. Number 14, pass to number 58, 14 seconds to shoot, 2 points by number 29. Number 33, number 24, pinalis sa number 4, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 4, good 3, no good. Offensive rebound by number 33, no good. Rebound by number 29. Number 14 to number 21, libre. 2 points by number 21. Number 13 to number 33 sa gitna, layup, no good. Rebound by to number 14, pull up, 2 points by number 14. Kumalayo na kalamangan ng ngayon by 2 points by number 22.
Excessive hard contact pang ginawa. So,
Pwede ka tayo na maganda sana mag-play.
Lolo. Foul number 20. Second personal foul, third team foul. Yung number 4, out of the play court. 1 game suspension. And double foul ng Lalo 14, dribbling the ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Pinakasa lalim, nice pass, pero wala. Ibang may number 33 sa number 13.
Kapitawan. Lubat. Charge muna, sir. Sana naman. Red Bull sarado yan, Tol. Stop. Time out. Sana lang.
Saka isa pa yun.
Ah.
First try, no good. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds in the fourth quarter. Number 25, Bravo Bambola. Pass to number 22, no good. Timeout, M-by. Both teams tag-isang timeout.
Napatay siya sa inyo. Tapos yan.
Jump na naman.
Back to the ball game. Last 1 minute and 37 seconds. Both teams tag-isang timeout na lang, both teams.
Warning!
08, apat ka na.
Traveling. Same boat. Shot clock 5!
Ito sabi ko siya. Hindi ko ba na-edit ka tayo? Pag na-edit ko ba? Pag na-post ko ba siya? Tinitignan ko rin sa akin eh. Wala yung mic pala. Pwede mo tawag. Tayo, 5 minutes lang, 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang, tapos game na tayo. Game na. 3 point. Announce mo. Ayaw talaga mag ano? Ayaw sir. Baka kailangan yung paayos na yan.
Kaya natin,
Charge yun ito sir.
Baka kailangan.
Ayaw nag-charge.
Ay, teka. Tapos, ang defensive player mo, yung 33 dito. Sa 3.
Check natin yung kung ano talaga sira. Baka sa
Sige, madala dito. Sa
8.
8, saka 33 dito. Unahin mo muna dyan sa white. Acti yan, acti. ACD.
Ano ba dapat? Ang ano yan, diretso lang. Oo po, kailangan mo mag-finish na dyan.
Ha? Hindi po. Doctorate ka, graduate eh. 8 times graduate.
Politika to.
Ah, 33.
Tawag mo nga kay ano, kay Kuya Levy. Dala yung charger natin, baka...
Picture kita.
Ayos yan, sarap yan.
Okay, 1, 2. Thank you, thank you.